past the monument at the moment. Butterfly, the leader from on the outside, first Empress, Race for the Stars. Then there's Golden Marina. These are the first four runners. Then there's Ignorance is Bliss upon the outside. There's Star Waves. They start negotiating curve at the 500. Papa Ridge being tracked on the outside by Tudor. Then there's NX Wild Frank, followed by Lordship as they enter into the straight. They have a little over 400 to go, and it's Butterfly still the leader by about 3/4 from first Empress coming up on the outside. So also is Golden Marina looking good on the outside and gaining grounds and takes up the running in the last 200 meters. Golden Marina has gone ahead of Butterfly. Then there is NX on the outside. There's Race for the Stars and Tudor coming with a belated challenge, but it's all going to be Golden Marina well clear by about 5 lengths now from NX. Golden Marina the winner from NX. Then there's Tudor, followed by Race for the Stars, Aretha, Butterfly, followed by Despacito, Cotton Hall, Ignorance is Bliss, Papa Ridge, First Empress, Wild Frank, and the last one to finish home was Star Wave.